Hey guys, my name's Tim. This is New Craft Workshop. Every other Friday, we do a series called our Beginners Woodworking series where we build 3 simple projects with 3 shop tools or less. I've decided to do something a little different this week. I'm going to put 5 ideas right up here, and I'm going to have you guys go down in the comments and let me know which of those 3 you would like to see for this coming week. I know it's a little short notice. Today is Thursday. I'll give everybody until, let's say, Sunday evening to let me know which of the 3 they would like to build, because I do have to start this video on Monday in order to get it wrapped up. So we're going to do 5 projects. Go down, comment below, let me know which 3 you would like to see. The 3 that get the most votes, that's what we're going to build next week. So number 1, we're going to start with some wall art. Now, let me preface this entire video with none of these photos up here are my build. These are just Google images I pulled up. We are not going to copy these exactly. I don't want to do that to any other woodworker, but I am going to use their designs for inspiration. So first things first, we're going to talk about wall art. We can make something really simple, make it from some pallet wood, make it from some scraps laying around here. This is something you guys can do if you have any kind of tools around your shop. All you're going to need for this is going to be a saw and some sort of fastening device. I use a nail gun, but you're always welcome to use a hammer and nails. So number 1 is going to be wall art. Number 2, how about something like this toilet paper holder? Now, I know just looking at this picture, you'll see the travesty in this entire thing. The toilet paper is mounted backwards, and that person needs to reevaluate things, because that's the wrong way to mount toilet paper, just so you know. But that's item number 2. Item number 3 is going to be this rustic looking shelf. Kind of looks like a pallet. If you want to know the truth, we'll kind of put our own spin on it, but this thing could be made a couple different ways, stained a couple different colors, and it'll have a totally different vibe about it. This is a pretty simple build, and I know that it looks like there's a lot of pieces there, but beginners, you guys can handle this. It's nothing but straight cuts, glue, and some sort of fastening. We'll probably screw this thing together from the back, make sure it's nice and secure. All right, and the last 2 options are going to be, because it's still summer, and they're going to be for the outdoors. So one is this outdoor napkin holder. Again, not my design, but we're going to put our spin on it and make it ours. And then, as I tell you guys all the time in my beginner series, even what I build should only be an inspiration to you. You don't have to copy my exact plans. Customize everything we make here on this channel and make it yours. But how about a napkin holder for those outdoor barbecues and nights out on the patio? And finally, my favorite of the 5 choices is a beer caddy. We made something really similar to this a couple episodes back when we did our condiment caddy, but this is going to be made specifically to hold a 6-pack of bottled cold beverage. I'm not sure if I can elaborate too much more on that on YouTube. I guess I could, yeah. Anyway, sitting out on the patio, you might want to have something like this to carry your cold drinks around. So that's our 5 choices. Do me a favor, go down and comment. Let me know which of these 3 you would like to see on the Beginners Woodworking series that is out Friday, a week from tomorrow, which would be the 26th. So get down and vote. Let me know. We'll catch you guys in a couple days.